Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD, and as you can see that after the market opening, GBPUSD is standing at 1.2122. This is the current market price of GBPUSD. And surprisingly, GBPUSD is still respecting the trend line, which has been acting as a dynamic support for quite some time. Okay, and if you observe the chart carefully, then you can see that overall we have an ascending triangle pattern. Generally, ascending triangle pattern is extremely effective when we see something in an uptrend market. If we see or if we identify an ascending triangle pattern in an uptrend market, then that's a very sure shot trade. Okay, we have seen in case of DXY, when DXY was when DXY started moving from 90 to 93 level. Okay, we had many occasions where we spotted identified ascending triangle pattern, and those trades worked out pretty well. So in case of an uptrend market, ascending triangle pattern really works. But if we consider the overall chart of GBPUSD, then the overall chart of GBPUSD is not at all bullish. GBPUSD's journey has been very rough so far. But right now, we cannot deny that GBPUSD is trying to recover, and right now we have an ascending triangle pattern where we have a resistance at the top, and whenever market is coming down, we can see that market is not breaking the previous lows, rather market is forming new lower highs, higher lows in the market, which signify that buyers in the market are not ready to surrender. New buyers are joining in. As a result, there is a possibility of further upside on the chart of GBPUSD. And if we observe the chart right now, then we can see that yes, market is also showing price rejection from below as well. So it shows the intention of the market to respect the trend line as a dynamic support, isn't it? Okay, so my dear friends, if you already have a buy position, or if you already have taken a buy position in the market, then you can be on the trade. Okay, you can be on the trade, because if we look at the chart of DXY, then DXY is standing almost at a resistance, and yes, there's a possibility that DXY will be going down from here. So if DXY starts coming down from here, okay, then there is a possibility that GBPUS will be going up, as long as DXY is under correction. But do not forget that DXY overall is an uptrend, and this is just the part of the correction. Okay, so be careful. And here is our GBPUSD. So for today and tomorrow, okay, I think that there is a possibility of market bouncing from here, but the only problem is that apart from the trend line, we do not have any other factor that gives us the confirmation that we should be going for a buy position. And to be honest, trend lines are not very strong. Okay, trend lines are very weak in comparison to the static support or resistance. So as a result, if you're considering a buy position here, then you must be careful. Please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2% of your capital, because we do not have a proper clarity about the ascending triangle pattern as well as about the strength of the trend line. So if you're considering a buy position, then please follow proper risk management. And as the day moves, okay, if we see market breaking the support of trend line, then the next support zone will be around 1.2050 or 1.2055. Around this level we can expect the market to take support. Okay, and today we do not have any news also that will be driving bring craziness in the market. So I think that if the trend line fails also, then this level will have the power to bounce the market, okay, or to hold the market. Why? Because of previous price rejection from below around this area, and as you can see that the 200 moving average is also present here. So if we combine both the factors here, this level has a high chance of providing support to the market. Okay, and then the next support is this level, 1.2020 level. Okay, so these are the support levels for the market as of now. So let's wait and watch, and please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do your calculation and never ever compromise with the trading discipline. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. No trader is 100% accurate. So as a result, risk management is the most important thing that will help you to survive in the market, that will help you to make money in the market. Okay, and the resistance is the line here, so nothing much to talk about. Just draw this line and wait for the market to reverse so that you can take a sell position. Okay, so this is it. Bye bye, take care.